Hi, how are you today? So today I'm very happy and enjoy with the family. Go to see Tanle Sap and Kampong Pluk. How beautiful right now because I don't go there for a long time, maybe 1 year, 2 years something. But right now in Cambodia very hot and I think it not have much water. But I like to go to see this place because original to Khmer people live there for and river, so I like to see. So okay, I stop on the street and eat the food and street food with my family first and with my friend and Khmer food like the street food. Also on cheap fry and chicken, fish, frog. Yeah, look delicious. I really like that. So also on you see, it's nice place and look cold. It's not hot. Yeah. Because Kampong Pluk and Tanle Sap also very hot like that, and yeah, also not good for sit down because very hot. I have to eat street food first before go there because I like my food and street food. Okay, let's go to see about how have food, and for me I have to choose about which one I like. Okay, show you. You see, look delicious, very nice, and Cambodia called and sakro, and this one and make like the pork, yeah, and the pork inside with sugar, sauce, roti, yeah, it's nice, and chicken. Wow, it smells very good. Delicious. This and Cambodia like in Prahok. It's spicy, a lot of spicy. Who like spicy, please come. You see frog. Look nice and delicious. Also have in Cambodia called papun tray. It's nice and a fish. Yeah. Wow. And the fish have egg. I like that. Yeah. Yeah. I love the fish. Big fish and river. Yeah. Wow. Also have beef and this one and chicken inside. Wow, look delicious. Wow, I love prahok. This one number one for me in Cambodia. Wow, I love prahok and fish. Who hungry guy? But I think yeah. Some people don't like eat prahok, but for me I like prahok. Also frog here. Yeah. Wow. This and coconut tray for this one and like the small fish inside. Yeah. About I made in my home to do before and my YouTube. So wow. It's delicious. Hello bong, sok sabai. She not good speak English, yeah. Min chiêu đấy bong rồi ngay min chiêu chả đấy. Yeah. This one how much sister and prop? How much bong? Mama like $2.50. Yeah. How much bong chicken here? This one like $7.50 and $8.50 something. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, I maybe order chicken and fish. Okay, good. Okay, I will show you another when I order the food already. How delicious. Thank you. Okay, right now already I order and one chicken and fish and prahok. Wow, today I'm lucky. Maybe today I'm big mouth to eat a lot. Okay, you will see. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Hello, yes. Everybody and enjoy the food. Yeah, a lot of food. Okay, and I will show you how and delicious and good food. When you see me, I eat. Please, not hungry. And then I also want to say sorry first when I eat, make you hungry to say. Okay, let's go to eat with me, please. Okay guys, and come to eat with me. This chicken look delicious. Wow, smell very good. Okay, now with the spicy, like I hope the thing. You see? Very good. Very good. In Cambodia always have fun. Yeah, it's nice. I hope everyone will come and to try and the food in Cambodian for one day. You can come to Cambodian and yeah, and Siem Reap in Cambodian, please. Also, I want to eat egg fish right now. This one also egg fish. You see? Wow, nice. Okay. I want to eat prahok. Bụng đã có sợ lên đi mùi. Là sợ. This one and prahok. You see? And with the spicy and yeah, and fish and prahok and spicy. Yeah, very good. I like that. Very good. Number one. This place people call and bakong. Yeah, and come from city like driver about like about 30 minutes. Yeah, and bakong. It's nice place. Yeah, also on near an street. Okay, guys, and you want to see more and more in the video, can go to and subscribe and website YouTube make honey travel. You will see and a lot to new video and there for show and Khmer food. Yeah, and also on a riverside and beautiful place a lot. Okay, I will show you another videos. Okay, right now it already and me let's go to see in Kampong Plok and Tenlesap. But I really thank you guys for you always looking in my website YouTube and yeah, make handy travel. Please can you subscribe and website YouTube make handy travel about you want to see this place and street food. Yeah, it's nice place for and you will like and with the family. Yeah, it's nice place and also and very cheap price and original my food. Thank you guys for you always and looking in my YouTube. Thank you so much. I will show you another video, a new video and about Cambodian and street food. Yeah, thank you so much. Love you.